All right, super excited to talk to you guys about this iClever keyboard. And what's so special about it? This is the solar keyboard. It is totally operating off of battery free. It's got some solar panels right here. You would never have to insert batteries. Saves up to 30 AAA batteries that goes into the landfill. Just as the name says, tech that cares for the planet. They are eco-friendly and environmentally friendly. That's the whole mantra. To help for a better environment and a greener planet. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's included inside. All right, here, let's go ahead and open up this box and see what is included. Right off the bat, you notice how low profile this is. Very lightweight. And this is a full keyboard. Right off the bat, you guys will see two very pronounced solar panels right here. So what that does is if you're working outside, this can be charged by the solar. Or if you're in a room that's bright, that will also charge it. So there's absolutely no batteries needed. This is a full keyboard, guys. This measures 16.85 inches and 5.9 inches here. As far as the profile goes, it's only 0.83 of an inch. Your full keyboard includes the keyboard, the editing cluster, and the numeric keypad. You could connect up to 3 devices at once: Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, and Bluetooth 3. There's a really wide range of compatibility. It is compatible to Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. Again, this is powered through the solar or even the light inside your room. And you know what is crazy? This can last up to 13 months in one single charge. I repeat that, 13 months with one single charge. To connect via Bluetooth, all you gotta do, turn on the keypad. You will see a blue blinking light. Here are the Bluetooth devices that you connect to. Hold down number 1 for 5 seconds. On your device, you will see iClever Solar KB. Click on that. Pair, and you're connected. To connect a second Bluetooth device, you would do the same. Hold down the Bluetooth button number 2. On your device, you will see it come up, hit pair, and you're connected. When you're typing on the tablet there and you want to switch over to a second device, press the Bluetooth to number 2, your other device, and there you are right there, ready to go. You can switch up to 3 devices, things like a laptop, tablet, and phone. That is super cool, super convenient. I've never seen any Bluetooth like that. Such a great feature. Let's take you in for a real closer look. Okay, guys, let's do a real live sound testing, okay? I'm going to type this out and see how quiet it actually is. So I have to say, because of the very low profile, every button, when you press it, it feels like it's cut in half. So you're actually typing faster. The buttons are round and it's very comfortable on the fingers because your finger is round. So it fits right over it. It just contours over it perfectly. If you work in an office area where you don't want to bother your coworker, or if you're in a very quiet event or in a library, this would be the perfect device to bring. So what do I think about the iClever Solo keyboard? I think it is a win. This is such a nice keyboard to bring with you if you're working outside, not worry about having to run out of batteries. It's super light. And if you're the type that really cares about the environment, I would highly suggest this because, again, it eliminates 30 AAA batteries that goes into the landfill. Most of all, the typing experience on this is like no others. It's very nice and clean, makes very little sound, and you can easily fold this away and take it with you anywhere. Highly recommend it if you want to check it out, this iClever Solo keypad.